In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and customize your Microsoft Outlook view. If you're new to Outlook or just feeling a bit overwhelmed with its features, you're in the right place. We'll make it simple and intuitive so you can get the most out of your email experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure we're all starting from the same place. Open up your Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're using it on a desktop or through a web browser, make sure you have it up and running in front of you. This will allow you to follow along step by step as we go through the customization process. Once you're in Outlook, the next thing you'll want to do is to direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll see different tabs like Home, Send, Receive, and so on. What we're really interested in today is the View tab. Go ahead and click on that. This is where a whole new world of customization can begin. Now with the View tab open, you'll notice that there are several customization options available in the Layout group. This section is important as it lets you tweak how your folders, message lists, and reading panes appear, helping you streamline your day-to-day use. Let's walk through a few of these options to see what suits you best. Starting with the ribbon, you might notice that sometimes the toolbar feels either too cluttered or too sparse. Here you can choose whether you want a more compact ribbon or a fuller one, depending on your preference. Play around with these options until you find a look that fits your style. Next, take a look at the folder pane options. This area typically shows your inbox, drafts, sent items, and any other custom folders you might have added. You can choose to have this pane minimized or expanded, or even set it to automatically hide when not in use. This feature is especially helpful if you're working on a smaller screen and need to maximize your email view space. Then let's move on to the reading pane. This setting is particularly useful for quickly scanning the content of your emails without needing to open each one individually. You can place it on the right for a traditional view or underneath your email list if you prefer seeing a more complete email message preview. Don't overlook the My Day feature, which can be quite handy if you like having a calendar or task list visible alongside your emails. This can help keep you up to date with your schedule without needing to switch between different applications. Finally, the density setting allows you to decide how compact or spaced out your email list appears. This is all about personal comfort. If you prefer a list where individual emails stand out, go for a wider density. Or, if you like a sleeker, more modern look, choose the compact option. And just like that, you've customized your Outlook view to better suit your needs. With these tweaks, managing your emails should feel much more intuitive and efficient. Feel free to revisit these settings as your preferences change over time. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing.